What's good, boss babes? This your girl, Boss Lady, coming back with another entrepreneur video. And basically, in this video, we're going to be packing a order. I have 8 mystery boxes for my debit card grabbers. So we're going to do that order. So let's see if I can cover everything. These is the one she got. She got style 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, basically. So we're going to figure out how we're going to pack it. And like in the video, this is where I keep my inventory, and I really think that these are the ones. So we're going to I'm about to put y'all on the tripod, so I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we're going to make sure that I think I'm gonna put them in packs to make shipping better. So, oops, sorry, y'all. Let's go and look and pull out some of these. So, I'm gonna show y'all some of them. So this is some of them, which it comes 8 in a box, but I'm not going to put them in the boxes because I don't want them to break. So we're going to stack them in here. Oh yeah, that's my daughter talking. And so this is one bag. And then we have these, which I love this box. These are some more. So we're going to put these in here. I don't know, guys. I'm so just like, it has to look right, so I'm trying to coordinate them, color coordinate them a little bit. But she has a lot of them. I'm not even talking. I hope y'all can hear me, but she did order 8 boxes of mystery boxes of the debit card grabbers. So we're gonna have plenty. And then we have this one. So we got the yellow box. So I'm just basically trying to figure out which bags I want them to go in. Which I have a lot of pink, so. So, these are all she ordered. So he's going to seal the bags. So we have this bag. We have this one. We have this one. And then we have this one. So I was gonna send them in the boxes, but guys, I think it'll be better if I put them in the bags. So we're just going to add some thank you stickers. And then I got some little prep bags, which just has my business cards, a thank you card, and another type of card that got my social media information on it, which I'm going to write a quick note. I'm going to check off that she got these boxes. I need to get some highlighters, y'all. Fold that up. And her name is Liz. So I just wrote a quick little note and then some instructions on the debit card grabbers. So we're gonna put all of this back in here. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna figure out what bag we're gonna use. Which I need one that has I think all of them fit in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to bubble raffle. Uh-oh. Y'all trying to come with me. I'm gonna get some more bubble wrap. I'm just gonna basically put them in here. I'm just basically putting stickers on them. I know y'all are so close, but I'm trying to get these videos out, so I don't know. And then I don't like it like that. So we're going to grab some wrapping paper, not wrapping paper, tissue paper, and we're just going to wrap it like a gift. And we're going to add I'm gonna have more boss lady stickers. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm not in the camera. So it is packed. Let me move y'all back some. So it's all packed up, and we're probably going to put it in this. So, add it in here. We added this in here, and then I gotta get her freebie. So we're gonna give her this for a freebie. I'm just going to put that in there. And you know her name. Because I always write it down. And we're going to close it up. And that order is done. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, you guys. I'm got so much planned for this YouTube channel now. I can't wait to bring it. But this video is like all over the place. I am super tired, but let's just get back to this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video of me packing this wholesale order. See y'all, I know y'all like what? Like what? But y'all, I'm gonna get it together. Maybe the next video I won't be so tired. But we're just gonna end this video, and I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you know when your girl's dropping another video. And like always, guys, until my next video,